Hey girlies, we are back with another one. I'm here with Sensationnel Butta Lace Precut Unit. It's just wear and go. That means I'm wearing this wig Glueless today. And do y'all see this pretty balayage copper color? Y'all need this. This freaking screams fall. Y'all, this is the full construction. It's the middle part with edges, not a full lace frontal. And it has an elastic band. We wearing it Glueless. I'm not doing no lace spread and no dang on baby hairs today. So in the last clip y'all seen, I went ahead and tinted the lace using my Kiss Tintation spray. I definitely recommend tinting spray over cream foundation when it comes down to the synthetic lace. Okay, so me just showing you guys the hairline up close, and they did that. Y'all see it? Pre-cut and pre-plucked. Don't even play. I wish it was full lace frontal though. But we're going into hot comb it down. This unit is a kind of bit shiny, especially when you hot comb it. The texture changed from like a yaki texture to a silky, so it's giving silky yaki. Just be mindful of that. If you do not want that texture, do not go in and hot comb. You can use some spray to lay it down. So I'm cutting off some more of the lace. Like I said, it does come pre-cut and pre-plucked. So yeah, when it comes down to the ear tabs, nobody is going to see that unless the wind starts blowing. So we're just going to leave it like that and put the hair back down. I'm defining my part using some cream foundation. So now I'm just going in to detangle the unit using a wide tooth comb. Y'all know I normally don't do this till the end of the video, but we're gonna do it today because I want to play around with the curls. Now I did get some tangling and also shedding when I did this part, so do be mindful. You definitely gonna get this shedding and that tangling. Okay, it is synthetic, y'all. I know it might look like virgin hair, but it ain't. Do y'all see how pretty this color is? If fall was a wig, this wig will represent that. Okay? It would, because look at this. Don't even play. Straight up Glueless. Now I'm just adding a little bit of more layers to the unit. It does come with layers already, but sometimes they don't be doing what they're supposed to do. So this is how it looks. Like I said, no glue, no lace spray, no baby hairs, just straight install, straight out the pack. Look at it. So now we're just doing a little bit of customization. I bought these tweezers off of Amazon and I'm obsessed. They came in a little pack with different varieties. These, the slanted ones, do the job. Now I kind of went ham on the plucking. Girl, it was already pre-plucked. But normally, this is why I don't pluck it on my head, because I really can't see what I'm doing until I go look in the mirror. Like, I'm looking in the mirror, but when you go to a bigger mirror, then you be like, girl, that was too much. So now we're just going to follow back up after we comb out the plucked hair and just go back in with our hot comb. All right, y'all probably see, here she go with these scissors again. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut more layers in it because, like I said, I want to see how many different ways you can really, like, lay this wig since it's already curled. And that's one thing I love about synthetic wigs as well. Since it's pre-curled, baby, it's really no wrong you can do with this. Look at this. Look how this side laid. Now, if I could get the right side to do the same thing, baby, it's going to be on and popping. But, of course, I don't know what be going on with me when I be trying to mirror the same exact thing on the other side. I can never do it. I don't know what that's about. When I do my makeup, I can't do my right side like I do my left side. But in this case, it was just like, I love the way that the left side fell and laid. It was amazing. But anyway, I couldn't do it. So I ended up taking my Babyliss Pro flat iron and I just decided to curl away from my face. And I still could not get the sides to look the same. So when I do the right side, I end up liking the right side better than I do the left side. So anyway, I feel like in the rest of 2024, I'm going to get in my styling bags, because it's like when I do install units, I don't be styling them. Especially my virgin hair units, I don't really be styling them. So I want to definitely get in my styling bag for the end of 2024. What was I about to say? I forgot what I was going to say about, oh yeah, when it comes down to synthetic units, if you need a unit to practice on, get yourself a synthetic wig. Do not go out and buy no virgin wig and wreck it. you can rack up the synthetic ones. So this is pretty much how this turned out. I sprayed some hairspray on it so everything could set in. It was still cute, okay? And it don't even look like the first style that I had because I switched it up a little bit. This is so pretty. I'm super excited. Look at this. Look how it turned out. I'm like, stop playing, okay? Stop playing with me. Stop. Just stop playing. Y'all, no adhesive. I had my adhesive right out, ready to use. Got to be glue. That's what I was going to use today because it's cold and I ain't really going nowhere. Definitely was fun to use that. I tightened this elastic band in the back. Baby, did you stop playing? I did not think it was going to go nowhere. Look, this is still lifted, but the center, it's not going nowhere. It's nice and snug. I'm surprised at how tight this, like, it's secure. Like, what? It's giving virgin hair. It's giving the virgin hair glueless unit. So that is a plus. Y'all see me with my little, so this was amazing. I had this on the lowest heating setting, which was 300. Granted, you do not have to get these. You can get any flat iron that, you know, is made to curl. Just keep your flat iron on the lowest heating setting and it's gonna curl. I promise you. I was shook because I'm like, are you kidding me? It really curls. So that was a plus in my book, y'all. This wig is giving what it's supposed to give, okay? I love the little customizations that I did to make it look more like a virgin hair unit. And y'all know I'm not really a fan of combing out the curls when I first get a unit. But this was just one of them units where I'm like, let me just play with it a little bit, okay? That's what I wanted to do. So I did that, y'all. Just stop playing, okay? Because I think the girl in the stock card, she pretty much left it like in its full curls. But I'm like, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do something different. And it's a whole vibe, y'all. The color is giving fall. If you don't have it, you need it, okay? Be sure to check the description because it definitely will be linked down there. Y'all, it's so cute. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think I covered everything because this install was very quick and very easy. And I'm gonna give this wig a 9.5 out of 10. I will leave it in the description section if you guys are interested in this unit. And until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.